Hi folks, welcome to MTS. Recently I had a viewer ask about a LED replacement bulb for a post-war locomotive. At the time it was actually a 665 locomotive. It was on one of my previous videos. Can't find that 665 right now, so what I'm going to do, I've found a 229. This is a classic post-war 229 locomotive, but it's got the same style bulb, and that's really what we're looking at, is anything with a threaded bulb. I was able to get these off of Amazon. This is an LED replacement E10 LED bulb. It's a 12 volt. It's made by, and I'm going to butcher this, but Gut Reese. That's what I'm going to say. Gut Reese. It's just a 10 pack of bulbs. I was able to get this for $9.99 on Amazon. So I'm going to first hook up, I'm here at the workbench, we're going to first hook up the power supply to the locomotive, show you what the standard incandescent bulb looks like, and then we're going to swap out that bulb with a more energy efficient LED bulb. We're just going to go from there. So I'm just going to hook this up real quick. So there's what your bulb looks like right now. Okay. So now that we have kind of an idea of what an incandescent bulb looks like, we're going to swap that out. This is a fairly easier model to work with. I'm only going to have to remove 2 screws. It's actually connected to the pilot assembly. And that's going to, once I pull that out, there we go. We have the whole light bulb assembly right here. Let me zoom you in just a little bit so you can see what we're looking at. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and remove this old style incandescent bulb, and I'm going to get one of these, bag in a bag, get one of these LED bulbs. This is a warm white bulb, so, and it should just fit right in there, which it does. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm going to stick that back into place. There we go. Put that back into place, and then I'm going to reassemble the screws. Okay, so we'll put the incandescent bulb over here to the side. I'm going to zoom you back out. There we go. Got our positive going to the center. Just go around the outside there. See what we got. It's a little brighter. There you go. So again, quick video. Thank you to the viewer that actually asked for the replacement, and we were able to figure that out. So we were able to procure the bulbs, the LED bulbs. This will work for I would say any post-war style locomotive that has the standard screw-in style bulb. I believe this is an old GE 18 volt bulb, but we were able to put it in a 12 volt bulb and put out just as much, if not a little bit more output on the light for the headlight. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the line.